I just bought this 2011 BMW 328i for $900. Twist in it. It's ass. It's not a car. It's arabanet in Arabic, which means it's a cart that you at Walmart. One of the carts, but not the good ones. The ones with the wheel that doesn't move and you have to push it. Anyways, it's the worst car you can ever get. That price $900. Come on. What did you hit here, my man? Where did the side skirt go? How big were you to cut this seat? And why is this not the same color? What did you put? Right here. What is that? Why is there a hole? What's going on? It's just, look, I hate this car. I truly hate this car. What is this? What's going on? Come on, what? I just saw this, hold on. Where is the mirror? Where? No, this is not a car. It's just messed up. Because I wouldn't buy this car for 300 bucks. But after fixing it, repairing it, and cleaning it, detailing it, it should hopefully it's sold, crossing fingers. So what we're gonna do is right now go to the junkyard and can you lift the camera up a little bit? Not a film?
I can't see.
We're gonna go to the junkyard and get some parts for it hopefully, and also get parts for the Rebel all the way inside. So let's go ahead and do it. Yeah, you know what, and the worst part is not everything on the outside of the car. Come here. The worst part about this car is that it doesn't run. It doesn't start. Nothing. I tried starting it. I put the jumper on and I think the engine is messed up, my boy. 900 bucks, that's what you get. You pay for what you get for.
Yo, nah.
I'm telling you, bro. This car is ass. I haven't regretted my life in maybe about 2 months now. Until now, I regret it again buying this shit. This is just fucked up. But what can we do? We can't do nothing about it. What, you gonna cry about it? I'm not gonna do that. All right, come on, let's go. Junkyard. Nah, this is what we need. Let me tell you what we need. Hold this.
Yep.
We need the middle mirror in the car. One. The cover for the gear. 2. The side skirt.
3.
The side steps, because they had different colors.
4.
Right on the doors. We probably don't need that much actually to fix this car. And those and the engine. That's 5.
We'll get into the engine later.
And then paint, that's 6. It's not much. If I find the whole car here at the junkyard, I'm gonna get it. Well, I hope the transmission is good. Well, at least it's clean title. That's the good part about it. It has 145 miles, 1,000 miles, not 445 miles.
You seen Aladdin flying on a carpet?
I'm gonna need a whole box of this too.
Yeah, you're gonna need to fly on that
anyways,
title.
Come on in with us, guys, and let's see what we got. Where's my wallet? Hold on. Can't buy no parts without no wallet, boy. Oh. We actually might just see the owner for this car, for the phone, so we can just grab the whole car and take it with us, so we can replace the other car. Alright, let's go.
So back home with us.
Oh my God, this is gonna be. If he doesn't have the car, we're gonna dirt my schmirk.
There it is.
How you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
Good. BMW?
Thank you. Second.
You have one, right?
Yeah. One new, but this is
4-door, that's what I need. Alright, thank you. Alright, here we go. As you see, this is my second home. Oh, it's sitting right there.
Don't.
No way.
That's the coincidence. No way. Tell him we need to enter.
Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? There's no way.
Tell him
What's up, man? What's up? You gonna put this over there, or are you gonna take more parts of it first and then?
Take the motor out and then take it back over.
So I can get some parts from it, or no? Yeah? Oh man.
It's crazy.
Let me show you the wheels real quick. I mean, look at that. That is fire. Alright, we'll be back right for this. Let's see what else they got. Better watch your step, boy. Alright, we need to be extra on this. But anyways, usually they have the BMWs right in the corner. I'm telling you, I can walk in this junkyard with my eyes closed and I'll find what I need.
Damn.
Yes, I've been here probably ever since I was 3 years old. Now let's go this way. I came out the womb looking for parts. I'm just saying, like, it's what I always did and this is what I always do. Even if I got $1 million, I still look for parts, like a fender or like bumper or a headlight. You know, people got other hobbies. My hobbies is looking for parts. And parts we're looking for shall find, hopefully. I don't know, I hope so. They got a clapped Mercedes in here. I don't think we need anything from that. We got a 7, oh, that's a 5 Series Coopers. You know what? I called for this car and they said they took it out of here, but they did not. It's still sitting right here. I don't think I need anything from it anymore. Oh, now I remember Mohammed needed these taillights and the trunk and they and the bumper, bro. And they said they don't have this car anymore. Dang, that's messed up. I know Hamuda's watching this. I think so, he better be. But if you are, my boy, they still got it. I don't think he needs the parts no more because he already fixed his car. But anyways, they don't have no 4 doors in here. Gotta go back to, there is a white one on top of it. Nah, that's a 5 Series also. And they have a lot of 5 Series. What's going on? They had more 3 Series right here, but they, what is that one? Hey, come here. I found it. I found another one, boy. It don't got the side step though, it don't got it.
Don't you need the driver's side?
I think both of them. The side skirt, yeah, driver's side, but the side step, get it, the black one. Let me see. Yep, there it is. That one. And this right here. Excuse me. I'm trying to film here, alright?
Sorry about that.
Yeah. The mirror? Does it have the, yes, it got the mirror, boy. Hold this.
Cover for the mirror first.
Just easy as that. That's all we need. This side skirt, we're gonna have to go, actually, for the side skirt. Wait, is it clipped in?
No, it's sitting on it. Towards the front.
Oh, sitting on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it is sitting
Just
on
take it off the one that has on the
over
jug.
there, yeah, the there. What else?
Alright, I'm cutting.
No, hold on. Look what we need, boy. The middle part.
Oh yeah, boot.
I'm telling you, bro. You wanna find something, you gotta go look for it. And this is what we did. We came to look for the things that we needed, and we found them. I have an X5 as well, but other than that, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab these and head towards the shop. This is an 06, by the way. The way I know is the grills, they cut like that. This is an 06. Doesn't matter though, same parts for the 05, the 2011. Yes, we'll get that and then go to the shop, put them on, and fix the engine, make it run, clean it, detail it.
Oh wait, by the way.
I know it is an 08. I just said, well, it's from 06 to 08. But from, yeah, the same. No, it's the same thing. From 09 to 11, it's the same thing. And the 08.
We'll cut that part out.
Those parts are the same.
We'll just cut that.
You don't have to cut it out, I'm telling y'all. All right, so the way to put it in neutral, actually, I've always wanted to show them, but I didn't have the chance. You take this cover out, right? And there is, you see the little red tab right there? See a little red tab? There's a red tab that you push. You gotta push it, and then here, hold this. You push the red tab and you just pull this. That's it. And just like that, let me just take these. We came and got what we needed. All right, on to the next junkyard for the Rebel parts, and maybe we have another blue E90. I'm trying to get one seat for it. I already have another seat the same color. Other ones are different colors, so hopefully we can find that, and then hopefully we can find the suspension for what's it called? For the Rebel. Let's go, stay tuned. So, since we got all the parts from the junkyard yesterday, I'm about to put them on in just a second here, but let's talk about the engine. So it turns out to be these camshaft brackets, which is really messed up. It's been, that's why they sold it on the auction because it wasn't working. Engine is not turning. You see, the timing is wrong right here. This hole is supposed to be right here, just like that one right there, just like that one over here. So this right here already took out the old ones. Look how bad these old ones are. You see the color difference here? Holy shit. What? So now I'm about to put these, and they are numbered. So 1 goes in 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then open 6 and change 6. And after that, fix the timing. And I sent my brother to get Valvetronic as well. Might as well, right? Change the whole shit. Anyways, stay tuned, and we're about to get it going, boy. Gotta get it started.
Good luck.
Anyways, all right, let's go. We got bad news, man. We got some bad news. Mission failed on the BMW 328i. We have the parts for it here. Where'd the side skirt go? Somewhere right here. But anyways, let me show you what happened to this car. This is the worst purchase in a very long time. But anyway, oh, side skirt is on it, but what's the point? Look at that. Valve cover is fucked up. Plugs are all out. We have failed miserably. Yep. We just removed that cover, and you see everything down there. It is messed up. So we changed the brackets yesterday. It still didn't turn. So the engine is seized. That's what it is. No good engine. And so I was thinking to myself, is it better to replace the engine, buy a whole engine, maybe $500-600 bucks, and or could be up to $1,000 to change this engine, or just keep it and buy more of it. You know, damaged parts from the house, like, you know, damaged fender, hood, bumper, doors, whatever I need from this car, I'll take it. That's what I'm gonna do, actually. The best idea that I could do, because I'm not gonna spend the time and the money on it, and it's just an ass car. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get another BMW 328i, maybe hopefully black. If not one, maybe two, I don't know. I keep buying these cars because, you know, it's the most reliable BMW out there. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy more of it and take the parts from that and put it on the next one. So stay tuned to the next project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I didn't finish this project, but hey, some days there's wins and some days there's losses, and you have to take the losses as much as you take the wins. And on that note, I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.